Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best cookout card game is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to bring people together for some lighthearted fun, offering a unique blend of strategy and social interaction that can turn any gathering into a memorable event. This game is designed to be accessible to a wide range of players, from seasoned gamers to those new to the tabletop scene, ensuring that everyone can join in on the laughter and friendly competition. Its simple yet deep mechanics make it easy to learn but provide enough depth to keep players coming back for more, making it a perfect addition to your game night rotation. Number 5. Incohearent, the Guess the Gibberish Party Game. Introducing Incohearent, the hilarious party game that's taking social media by storm. Get ready to laugh as you and your friends try to decipher nonsensical phrases. This game has taken the internet by storm, with millions of views online. It's the perfect icebreaker and guaranteed to bring the fun to any gathering. Gather your friends for an unforgettable game night. Designed for 3 to 8 players aged 17 and up, it's ideal for anyone who loves word games and a good laugh. Simply hold up a card with gibberish and race against the clock to guess the hidden phrase. The first to decode it wins the point. From casual get-togethers to date nights, this game provides endless entertainment and laughter. It makes a fantastic gift for teens and adults alike. Inside, you'll find 300 cards divided into 3 exciting categories: party, spicy, and pop culture. All content is fresh and updated for maximum fun. What we like. This game is a viral sensation, perfect for those who love a good laugh and a unique challenge. If you're looking for a party icebreaker that's guaranteed to get people talking and laughing, this is it. It's ideal for game nights, bachelorette parties, or any gathering where you want to inject some unpredictable fun. What people say. The game is easy to learn and fun for the whole family. Great for parties and gatherings, keeps everyone entertained. The cards are well designed and durable, making them easy to handle. Number 4. The Voting Game After Dark Edition. Get ready for the Voting Game After Dark Edition, the adult party card game that reveals the hilarious truths about your friendships. It's perfect for college students, fun parties, and game nights with your group. This group card game uncovers the sometimes disturbing, risque, but always hilarious truths behind your friendships. You'll discover shocking things about each other. You can play again and again because the gameplay varies dramatically based on the friends you play with. Every game night will be a new adventure. Get to know one another on a whole new level. Personal stories are often shared after a revealing vote, leading to deeper connections. Looking for an awesome gift? It's a perfect idea for Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, holiday parties, or as a stocking stuffer. It makes a funny gift for men, teens, adults, and friends. This game is for ages 15 and up, with 4 to 10 players, and takes 30 to 90 minutes to play. It includes 250 cards for endless fun. What we like. This is the game for those who aren't afraid to uncover the sometimes shocking, always hilarious truths about their friendships. If you're looking to deepen connections and share personal stories with your closest friends, this is the perfect choice. It's best suited for groups who enjoy a bit of adult humor and are ready for some revealing conversations. What people say. The game is a lot of fun and easy to learn. Great for family game nights, keeps everyone engaged. The cards are well designed and the gameplay is fast-paced. Number 3. 400 Conversation Cards for Friends. Discover a fun way to connect with friends, coworkers, and acquaintances. These cards are designed to spark laughter, share stories, and build deeper connections. Explore a range of questions, from lighthearted icebreakers to more profound inquiries for longtime friends. They help you learn new things about each other through shared memories and aspirations. Each card is carefully selected to ensure engaging conversations on diverse topics. Say goodbye to boring questions and hello to hours of enjoyable interaction. With 400 conversation starters, you'll have more than enough to keep the conversation flowing for hours. It's perfect for getting to know the people you enjoy spending time with. Elevate your gatherings by moving beyond small talk and diving into storytelling and sharing. This set is an excellent gift for bringing people together and creating lasting memories. These compact, double-sided cards are easy to take anywhere, making them perfect for starting conversations on the go. They're a fun and portable way to connect with friends wherever you are. What we like. This set offers an incredible depth of conversation starters, designed to move beyond superficial small talk. If you're looking to foster genuine connection and learn new things about your friends, coworkers, or family, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys storytelling and wants to build deeper relationships, especially during casual hangouts or family gatherings. What people say. It's a fun and engaging game that keeps everyone entertained. The game is easy to learn and play, making it great for families and parties. The cards are well designed and the gameplay is strategic yet accessible. Number 2. Mattel Games Uno Splash Card Game. Introducing the Uno Splash Card Game from Mattel Games. Now you can take the fun of Uno wherever you go, even to the pool or beach. These cards are made from durable, waterproof plastic, so you don't have to worry about spills or splashes. They're built to last through all your adventures. It comes with a handy clip that keeps all the cards together. You can easily attach it to your bag, making it perfect for travel, camping, or any outdoor activity. Enjoy the classic Uno gameplay you love. Match cards by color or number, or use action cards to outsmart your opponents. Score points by being the first to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Remember to yell Uno when you have only one card left. With Uno Splash, the possibilities are endless. Bring this exciting card game to your next game night, camping trip, or beach day. What we like. This is the classic card game you know and love, but with a twist that makes it perfect for any environment. If you're an adventurer, a beachgoer, or just someone who likes to play games on the go, this is the ideal choice. Its durable, waterproof design means you can enjoy it by the pool, at the campsite, or anywhere your travels take you. What people say. The game is easy to learn and play, making it a great option for families and casual gamers. It offers a good balance of strategy and luck, ensuring that each game is unique and engaging. The game components are well made and durable, contributing to a positive gameplay experience. Number 1. Bad Opinions, the Adult Card Game. Get ready for hilarious debates with this adult card game. It's perfect for parties and a great addition to your game night collection. From the creators of your favorite party games comes the next big hit. This game is designed for those who love to express their unique viewpoints. Choose a topic from your hand and share your thoughts, whether it's a quick statement or an impassioned rant. Let your opinions be heard. After you've shared your take, another player can challenge you with a different perspective. Engage in a lively debate on the same subject. Everyone else secretly votes for the opinion they found most compelling. See who wins the round and scores points. Dive into a wide variety of fun and thought-provoking topics. From movies and actors to games you dislike, there's always something to discuss. What we like. This game is for the opinionated and the debaters, offering a platform for lively discussions and agree to disagree moments. If you enjoy expressing your views and engaging in spirited debates with friends, this is the game for you. It's perfect for parties where people aren't afraid to voice their thoughts and enjoy a bit of friendly controversy. What people say. The game is easy to learn and play, making it great for families and casual gamers. It's a fun and engaging game that keeps players entertained for hours. The game has a good replay value, with different strategies and outcomes each time you play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.